Okay, should be good to go. Everything should be linked up now. Let's get going. Okay, so we were at the point of making an environment. Yeah, we're gonna do the environment next. So, whew, should be more easier. Now, the issue comes, I have a lot of various assets. Um, so that's, this might be good enough. Let's try it. Because really, I just need like a forest environment. Doesn't need to be all that fancy. Um, let's just import it all for now. And right now, asset matching, not really a big concern. So like, if I was doing this in real time, I would spend a lot of time verifying that everything got matched up nice and like the assets all had the appropriate look and feel. But we're not in real time. We're not doing it like that. Make sure. Yep. Added the low poly environment. Yeah. Always make sure you're making these commits. Hey Jay. Hi Jay. There we go. um. So we're gonna make a commit. Matter of fact, I'm gonna message somebody. Discord. Because they're an engineer of mine and they were wondering how often you should make commits. And I have video now of evidence. But it looks like they are not on. Okay. So I won't bother them. They're most likely doing important actual work. Okay. So we got an environment. Is let's load up one of these demos. Let's go with demo one. The pink sky of death. Um, Okay, so I'm going to need to load up some prefabs, materials, all these materials. Why won't let me select multiple? Okay, where's the shift button? Select multiples. Yeah. The preview window. Hmm. Yeah, it looks like my preview window's gone. Be a little window here. Oh, yeah, there it is. That's why I'm like super confused. There we go. Nice little preview window forever. Let's explain some things. I was doing something in another project where I needed a much bigger preview window. Um, okay, so we go to here, go to render, go to materials, go to URP, hit proceed, and get something. Okay, so we have a nice desert scene. Um, which is nice. And so massive and stuff. There's some rocks. Not particularly fond of it. Let's try demo 2. Um, I'm less fond of this one. Smaller, but still less fun. Demo 3. I think Demo 3 is the one we're gonna launch. I click this button. That's nothing. I don't know what the button does. Yeah, apparently other people can click it too. Jay, was that you? Okay. So this not the best looking, but it looks good enough. Big area. Let's give out clearing some of these errors. So let's go into maximize and see if we get a nice environment. I understand it's not necessarily 100% unique, but lovely. A bunch of errors. What? Uh, object dock area's been destroyed, but you're still trying to access. You're still trying to access. And I think I might be deleting this asset pack. Um, let's turn off this. Clear these errors. See if we can get it actually running. It's gonna suck if this asset does not work at all. There we go. Nope. Nope. It doesn't seem to be working. Okay. So cool. We're gonna delete that. We're gonna make a comment never to go back there. Just verify everything got deleted. Yep. Never go back. There we go. Comments that are of zero value are great. Okay, back to our package manager. Okay, so this doesn't seem to be working at all. So I'll have to remove that. We don't need a track. You don't need any of that. Let's see. Do we have nature? I got a few nature ones. Got a medieval nature. Low poly rocks. I think the low poly nature bundle, I think we're gonna go with. Let's try the low poly nature bundle. Because again, I just need environments. I need people to walk around in and stuff. As long as it's okay, like, we're good. Okay, let's import that. Like a nice wooden environment is all I really need, and I'd be happy. Stay hydrated. I'm curious. Curiosity killed the cat. Okay, if I go back. I'm curious. Curiosity. Oh, me? I don't think I can. No, I don't know what this whole thingy doing. I can see it on somebody. I don't know what this is doing or how it works. YouTube is being weird. This package is taking forever. Cool. I mean, it is a huge package. 4,700 assets. I don't think I need all of them. So, I guess I'll show you guys the oddity having oddity. So, quiet myself. Quiet myself. So this little button here wasn't in YouTube before. So I'm curious on like when I press this button, I don't see it on mine. But I think maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know. I need somebody to test this out and like press like one of these buttons that I don't see. I don't know. Maybe I'm going insane. Because it doesn't show up on my little chat program right up here. So I'm curious on like, can I get data from it? Do anything with it? Oh my gosh, is it gonna take forever to save these unsaved assets? Okay. Well, I guess as we wait, we can go into Unity. We at least can look at the asset as we're waiting for it. This is the low poly under. It looks like it has 4. We're gonna look for one that has. I don't see it. Who is it by? It is by. Okay, so I imagine it's this. I think it's this. Yeah, it's it. Okay, we're gonna as we wait for Unity to act up. So we don't really want Windrow. I think that's the one we're gonna get is the tree. I'm still leaning towards the tree. Yeah, so we're gonna go with the tree one. I'm fairly certain because we just need trees and all that. I'm really hoping that this has some presets. Because I really don't want to build an environment. I would like something like that. That would have been perfect. So, this little one. This is what I'm looking at. Package con. Unity still doing its thing. Unity still doing its thing. Come on. Huge package. He is done doing its thing, so I'm gonna close out that. Okay, so there, readme, bonus assets, demo scene, Azure, rocks, trees, vegetation. All that looks good. So we're just import it all. Because if it has a nice demo scene, then we're just going to take what we have in our current scene, port it over to the demo scene, and kind of just pretend like everything was there already. That reminds me, I need to add, or to do this, we need to also spawn hunter location. Okay. So that we can get that working. But I think we are actually close to like making a very rudimentary main menu. and actually gain some progress down. I wanted to get some records or something, but it might be as simple as like you hit play, I choose a couple of starting points, move from starting point to ending point, and call it a day. It's not going to be a great game, but it's going to be unique. Yeah. Don't know. I really just do not have all the high hopes on it, but it's gonna be fine. Uh, hey, if anyone can come up with ideas for names, I would love to hear them in the comments. Any ideas for any good name? Right now, I'm thinking Hunted or Don't Be Shocked. Those are the two names. You know, a video I would want to rewatch of mine is how to read YouTube comments. I remember making that video a while back, and I have an idea around it. Get it like working correctly. Okay, copying these files are almost done. It's gonna suck if we have to delete them. But in theory, this is like my biggest nature pack, I believe. So hopefully it has what we need. It looked like it had a couple of demo scenes, so. And again, I'm not really concerned about the nature of the environment. I just want to get some trees out there, get a nice skybox, get a good global post processing, just so it looks pretty, and then we can continue on with our lives. I think we're going to change the target to be red. I think that will be the better color choice. And then we just continue on with our lives and see where it goes. Man, 4 minutes. This package is huge. Okay. Um, let's. Nope, it's now just importing the assets. Cool. Um, what to do? What to do? We could check Humble Bundle, see if there's anything good there. Good deals on Humble Bundle? Any new good deals? Do software. Okay. Nope, it looks like there's nothing really all that great. I think this is a new one, but I don't really need that. Game development. I did get this one. I'm hoping we can tie some of that into you, but I'm not gotten to the music yet. But since we're waiting on Unity, see, I think I can click here. I have to go here. I think I have to go here. Yeah. Go this on SoundCloud because I think SoundCloud lets me actually adjust it. Okay. I'll play a couple of these songs as we play around with it. I have ambient, classical, horror. I don't think we need a horror. No metal. Chiptune, orchestrational rock, Japanese, plugins, fantasy, electric, or unplugged, I think. Let's try the ambient. My computer is dying right now. Okay. As my computer dies, play this one. Hey, Rabbit. So right now I'm just playing some background audio. Try to figure out like what audio would be good for the game as we wait. You don't hear me. Why is YouTube being bad? Oh, okay. So you only hear me when okay. That's fine. YouTube is still telling me it's airing out, but I'm sending more than enough data to it. It should be fine. It's like to be next to an airplane, so you hear the 10th word. Okay, so just adjust the volume. Okay, can do. Can do. Let's go down here. Bring that down a little bit. Hopefully that's better. Thumbs up if that's better audio-wise. If not, I'll have to plug in my headphones. Just plug in my headphones anyways. I can't wait until Monday and Prime Day. Buy some new headphones. Okay, now I can hear it. I'm gonna crank it up just slightly. I don't think ambient is what we want. Hopefully I'm loud enough now. If not, tell me and I'll crank up my gain. Unity still doing Unity thing. ears tell me no. I might crank the desktop audio down a little. Okay. Okay, hopefully you can hear the music and hear me perfectly clear now. And I can hear my music, because I'm one who needs to hear the music. Unless I go completely off your guys' thoughts. Now, I don't think ambient's gonna be the right. We're gonna not do ambient. What was the other one I was looking at? Maybe fantasy? Oh no, I was looking at unplugged. That was the one I was looking for. Let's open up that one. Okay. I kind of like Unplugged. It has a nice, like, chill vibe, which is kind of what I want the game to start to feel like a chill vibe. I want the juxtaposition of you're just a deer. So, your game is about, I know I was at the first scene, but you didn't answer my question for 5 minutes, so I quit. Oh, I am so sorry for not answering. Sadly, Unity is being Unity right now. The game's about, actually, give me a second. I have a GIF. Well, I'll bring up the GIF and we can look at the GIF. That drive, those projects, my GIF repository, and then it's GIF 1 that I overwrote. Okay. That would do. So, the game, oh my gosh, the pixelization of zooming into that GIF. The game is you're playing as a deer who is just minding its own business, trying to go from point A to point B and not be shot by the hunter. As you can see, we got deer movement working nicely. We got a very rough prototype of the hunter's scope aim working nicely. Now we're looking at installing environments and listening to music. I think Unplugged is, the pet layout list I'm gonna go with. I think it will have a nice, gentle, I don't know why that is being held for review, but show that. So now we just need a good environment, get some good music, fix up some of the coding things that we've just come up with a quicker, rough hand code. Get a main menu, get an unscreen, and in theory we have a game. A game that isn't too bad. Avoid the bullet in slow motion as the deer. So, I don't know. Because the issue with it is I don't want to have the game be too active and too intense. I think a nice chill game would be a good counteraction, like a Flash Quicksilver scene. I don't know, I kind of like the idea of like a nice slow pace thing where you're just trying to do it. As you can see, the aim is completely broken still. I'm happy I got it working halfway, but there's a lot to do though. And welcome, Space-Time Games. So, I don't know, we might have it where we can do a slowdown. But right now, I'm gonna put that as a wish list stretch goal. I lost like 8 hours yesterday working on a totally different game idea, so I'm happy that we're able to at least get to a game idea that is promising. But, so I'm just gonna, actually could add this. Where am I gonna add this? Is the next question. Give me a second. Add media source. Browse local file. Yeah, I like unplugged. I like the audio. It's nice, groovy. I can get into it. Yeah. Yeah, if I can get it working, will be the first half of that. Have it on loop. Let's see. Hey, I got the little deer working. Let's move it down like here. Stretch it up a little bit. There we go. Actually, yeah, we'll keep it there for now. Uh-oh, Rabbit's gonna share the great idea. Yeah, shuffle to this just so that we can see it. Oopsie. I would actually want to know what the last song was. What was that last song? Vacation. I'm gonna log that down, guys. Unplugged vacation. Thank you, Space Timer Games, for the good luck. Yeah, I like Vacation. Vacation was good. Okay, now we can go here. Oops, entered it too quickly. My idea is you're playing as the game and NPCs are the players for the game itself. What do you think about that? So that has a lot of broadness. That's, I think, would be the tough thing on that is NPCs and games are both very broad terms. I mean, technically, the little gift down here is a game, and the deer could technically be considered an NPC. So, like, you described my game, I'm certain you described other people's games. So, the tough part would be what is the mechanics of the game and what is the roles of the NPCs. Once you get those two defined, that will really decide your scope. I imagine you've gotten some point down already, because if not, you're somewhat in a worse position than I was. That's not too bad. So I imagine you got some of the scope down already, but I don't know. I don't know if I like that all that much. I think I'm gonna move it back. Right now that's good enough. I got those defined, but it's hard to explain. I guess you find out if you want to after submission time. Oh, I definitely will. One thing I love about even if I can't complete my game, I love being able to see other people's things. I got APath working. Oh, I got so much work. That is, they're all plugins that solve a lot of that for you, and I highly recommend if you can get into plugins. But APath is nice. It's good that you got that working though. Is it APath on a grid or is it APath on an analog system? Oh yeah, I tell people all the time that the main thing, okay, nice, on grid. The main thing I tell people is don't do game jams to win. or to make the next best game, game jams are really good for a quick prototyping time to take plugins and other features of game engines that you don't mess around with all that often and play around with them. This one, I had a few plugins or a bunch of add-ons I've had in the back burner for a while that haven't gotten a lot of time to play around with. And because of that, I was like, this is perfect opportunity. Just set that up a little bit. Go to leather, just so we can look at that. Pop this back up. Even this one, the multiverse of music Omni, they have a Unity plugin that I want to play around with since there's not a lot of details on what it does. So curious on that. But first things first, downloading this thousands of assets for my environment. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that there's a pre-built environment that I can just grab and yank. I still like Vacation. I think Vacation was the best sound. But I'm excited. I like the theme. I think the theme's going to show some very unique gameplay. I just wish I didn't waste my time running down a totally different idea for the first day. But we're gonna get there. At worst, I'll have videos of ideas and concepts. I think Vacation was the better one. And we're about halfway through that. I really should have picked and choose a little bit better on loading this asset in, but oh my gosh, it's been 24 minutes. Dang, dude. Ew. This isn't bad. I don't know why. I like the little campy pop sounds. I think that's gonna be a nice addition. So when we download this, we might have to see about combining this one and Vacation. Just to see what, that isn't gonna help me at all, typing out the exact same thing I typed out before. These are chores. Just to see how they sound coming one after the other in various ways. Now, Rabbit, are you doing it in 2D or 3D? And also, what engine are you using, if you're willing to tell? I don't like the end of that song, but Oh, this might be our game over. Nice, slow, sad. Yeah, this might be our game over song. Like it. Looks like Unity might be almost done. Yeah, it's nearing the end. Whew. Hopefully these environments are exactly what I want. I'm so lucky that my main game does not need nature environments of like this category. Yeah, I don't like sunrise. Too slow pace. Love is also, in my opinion, too slow. Actually, I could make this always on top. I know I can't. I turned off that tool. I was like, wait, I could make this always on top, so we never have to worry about it. But I turned off that tool because my computer was dying. Well, this has been a lovely stream so far. I like it, but it's a little too slow in my opinion still. I don't like the slowness. As we wait for energy to continue itself. I don't mind the two we've selected, the three that I've come up with, I don't mind. Those are really good. The extra two, I'm not 100% sure of. Let's see, what's the lullaby? It's not bad. To me, it is not the best on this. It's very if on off beats, kind of jagged. Personally, it's not what I would consider a lullaby. I really listened to this and I thought it was bad. Not bad. Yeah, we're gonna put that on the list as well. This might be the intro. I can see this is a really good intro song. Unity keeps refreshing my VS Code, so it must be doing something. Yeah, I think that's a good intro. Yep. Everything frozen so far. Or Unity, there you go. What is this? This is me listening to music as we wait for the assets for the environment to load in. Once this song gets over, we'll go to the next one. This one I've determined is not the right song, but my game, give me a second to enlarge it. This is what the game is currently kind of looking like. It's the inverse of a deer hunting game. So the theme is roles reversed. So the inverse of that is instead of you shooting the deer, you are the deer. and you're avoiding to be shot. So you're gonna play a nice little deal who's trying not to get shot, and I'm trying to get the crosshairs still working and the environment better. But right now we're waiting for Unity to load up the environment I have decided. So until then, whoopsie. You want it to snap there and then. So until then, we get to listen to beautiful music together. Woo! So right now I think we've gone through the entire list. I'll wait until the next song just to make sure. But I think we've gone through the entire list and I've chosen 4 songs, which I think will be a thank you for the interesting comment. Or concept comment. So I'm waiting for this song to get over, then I'll start kind of putting together the 4 songs I think we're gonna put together. Get your guys' opinion on them and everything. But overall, I think it's not bad. Yeah, so this is one of the songs. I'm thinking this is in the middle of the game. So this is your game design? This is for the game jam. This isn't my current game project, but this is for the a game jam that is gonna end tomorrow, roughly. Let's grab that end date, bring it up. Actually, I should be able to take this bit of code out as well. Let's do that real quick. So I have exactly 1 day roughly before the end of this. Yeah, I like Vacation. Vacation's a good middle song. See if I can grab that. So we need to add a browser. Really stress us out. Browser. Grab the GMTK. Put it here. There you go. Let's go. Properties. Oops, wrong one. So we're not. Lost is going to be the game over one. So this song is game over. And we'll do, what is it, 1920 by 1080. There you go. And then, transform this. Edit transformation. We're gonna crop a little bit. I'm gonna crop it to the left. I like 500, 600, 700, 675, and then we're going to crop it to the right by 675, 725, 775, 825, good. And we're going to crop this by, let's say, 500, 600, 800, good enough. And then crop it from the bottom by, let's say, 200. 100, go. Bring that down here. Stretch it out a little bit so I can easily crop it the rest of the way. So that was Lost. I like Lost as a game over one. And then if I hit view all, we had Chores as like a mid-game song. Why can't I find Chores? There it is. So this is in-game song. Do do do. Which I like this one too. This one's nice. So there's our due date. Hopefully that looks good on screen. Let's see. Yeah, it's not too bad. So that's our timeline. Looks like Unity's finally done importing this. Okay, let's go into here, let's go into low, demo scenes, and let's just start opening up these and see what we get. Don't save. Did we put this on here? I'm waiting for it to be like, no you didn't. Yep, there it is. Okay, so added low poly nature bundle. I'm gonna make a commit. Unity's going, or Git is gonna die on that commit. I think it's gonna try it. Okay. Purple universe with purple skies. Let's try to find. Let's grab all of these and convert them over. Okay, clouds are done. Go here, interiors. Hey, things are starting to show up. Music songs are good. Yeah, I think they're gonna be pretty good. I like them. Okay. Rocks. Rock assets. We got 2 of those. Properties. These error messages I don't like. They're gonna be fun to fix up. Okay, then we go trees, tree assets, tree. I'm gonna go here. And trees are done. Do I have to do any of these? I should. Just cleaning up all the assets that we need. No more material, right? Yeah. And then we can start looking and seeing which maps and stuff do we want. Create some invisible walls because this is a game jam game and we don't care about all the nuance. Materials, convert, URP, there we go. Give me a second, let me find that music. I personally like Vacation. I'll actually do that. Oop, that. So it should shuffle through these. I like Vacation. I think that's going to be a nice poppy sound for the Game Jam game. Yep, we already added those. Did I do them for here? Nope, there's nothing there. And they're all bonus here. Did I add them? Nope. Okay. Add these. Ah, dang it. Material, convert, proceed. Okay. Cool. What is this exception? I don't know what this exception is yelling about. You push more GUI clips than you're popping. Make sure they are balanced. I don't know what you're talking about there, but that's fine. Okay. This isn't a bad layout, but I think we could do better. Load up the second one. Okay, so this one looks like it's like the Ice Cavern one, which not really good for a deer hunting game. And this is the desert one. Again, not really good for a deer hunting game. I think this is the one I was thinking it would be good. Let's see. Okay. A lot of empty out here, but might be able to piece together through copying and pasting a bunch of trees. Some more vegetation. Like these levers were made for this screenshot and this screenshot alone, which that sucks. But okay, that was 4. Let's go to 5. Still getting a bunch of errors. We could do a snow level. The snow level actually looks rather populated. I actually think we might do a snow level. Just because then I don't have to populate the thing. I could even copy and paste this mountain around a couple ways. So we might do a snow level, guys. Let's go to the demo 6. Okay, this is another snow level, which apparently is pink in my editor, but snowy on the snow thing. I think that's just the After Effects filter. I don't know. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Not bad. Oh, pinky. But not too bad. It wouldn't be horrible in the sense of the small level. So that would be 6. Let's check out here. Yeah, not many deers do live in the desert. Sorry for missing your comment for a bit, but yeah. No, this is the horrible. Horrible. We might go snow though. We might go snow. And this is a nice island. Well, the benefit to the island is there's water around it, so technically that solves our natural border. But the issue is kind of barren. So let's just grab some of these quick demo scenes. I don't know what asset scenes are. I'm just gonna click one and see what happens. But I think we're gonna go with snow. Apparently asset scenes are huge. Guys, remember to drink your water. I'm gonna go grab one real quick. Okay. That's still loading that asset scene up. Okay, what song is this? Leather. Yep, that's the other one I was thinking about. Those Leather, Vacation Charge, and Unplugged are the ones I'm thinking, or not Unplugged, the Lost are the ones I'm thinking of combining. So this will be the Game Over song. Okay, so asset scene is literally just assets, which I don't need. I mean, it's nice to have. Okay, let's go to demo 1 on here. That's just mountains. Demo 2, that is more mountains. Demo 3. More, I don't think any of the, I think these are just showing how terrains can be plugged together. Yeah, so don't need any of that. Let's go trees. Now hopefully the demo trees one have some niceties to them. That's a very open field. That is an island. Here, there you go, hide between the trees. That one's good, but I imagine it's only good on one view. Yep. I don't even know what this big middle, like, oh, it's water. It's like, I don't know what this big middle, like, stream is. Again, great, but only in one view. This is a desert. Not really much to hide in. This is great, but I imagine it's only in one view. Yep. If you're viewing it from that angle, it's beautiful. Come on, game. Right now we're looking at winter. Some of those winter levels in the bundle demo scenes were good. And we might be able to just do a couple palette swapping and make it into trees, but we'll just play winter for now. There we go. Again, imagine it's only a couple of trees and then nothing. Yep, okay, so none of those were good. We try vegetation. We'll try one of the vegetation demos. Try 4. If 4 is good, then we'll keep going, but nope, that's what I was expecting. Look at all the grass all around it, but here's some plants. So, nope, we're gonna go with one of the winter ones. That's not a winter one. That's not it. One minute until one day, guys. That's a desert. That's not the winter one I want. That's the trees. So 5 looks good. I do like 5. 5 is pretty nice. Size-wise, it's not too bad. Um, 5 is nice. I remember I had to click camera. There. 6 is nice. I think I like 6 because of how small it was compared to 5. 5, not 4. Because 4 is a pretty beefy boy. But it provides more opportunities. So, anyone who's watching, do we go 5 or do we go 4? I'll give you some time to think about that. Put the question up bar here. My mind's going blank. There we go. 5 or 4? Okay, comment 5 or 4, and we'll see where we go from there. I'm gonna quickly go do something, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. No one commented 5 or 4, so we're just gonna delete that. Okay, so I'm gonna go 5. Now I'm just fixing up some mountains. There we go. I don't know what I did. I apparently saved some settings. I don't need settings saved. I just need to duplicate this mountain. Oopsie, that's not the way mountains go. There you go. Okay, I think I only need to like 1 or 2 more mountains. Hello! Okay, let's just get some spiritual perspective down here. Ooh, I hate how Unity, when you zoom in, it like increases the speed of the rotation. Okay, that should be good enough. We'll fix these mountains up a little bit more when I get around, but good enough is good enough. Let's move this one in a little bit. I don't see any obvious cracks. Let's drop that down to 0. Okay. So that should be good enough. Okay. I do not like that I'm getting errors here, but that's fine. Little baby steps here and there. Can you please explain your game to me? Sure. 1 second. Grab this media source. Move the browser below all that. Okay. So, here is a quick little GIF of my game. So right now, the theme is roles reverse. The idea is making a hunting game where you don't play as the hunter, but you play as the deer. So your objective is to get from point A to point B without being shot. I have the movement controlling working okay-ish. I have the AI shooter mechanic working okay-ish. And now I'm getting the environment to be working okay-ish. So, and the music you're listening to, the background, is the music that I'm thinking about adding to the game in an okay-ish manner. So everything's okay-ish. Okay, so I think that sets up an environment for us. Let's... Oh, okay, good idea for the theme. Yeah, it wasn't the first idea. The ideas were not going all that well for me. Whoopsie, didn't want to do that. Let's copy all this. Go into our sample scene. Or save it. Even though it's not great, we'll save it. Just so that we don't have to lose it. 23 hours. Whew. Time to drink some water. Remember to stay hydrated, my friends. Okay. Let's see how bad we can break this. There's our hunter position. And then somewhere, my finger getting wet from the water is not making it easier on me. Oop. Nothing is working nicely for me right now. Come on. There we go. There we go. Cool. So let's just paste this in and see how bad it gets. Look, it's bad. Okay, so we have some missing terrain. Nice. We have non-missing terrain, and then we have wild mesh terrain, because why the hell not? Mountains look good though. Okay. What terrain is missing and why? Is it because it's being called out? Maybe. If I were to move... Can't move that camera. Can't move that camera. I can't move anything! Okay, let's just... Hey, Scam. Let's just grab all this. And let's see if I move this around. It doesn't look like it suddenly calls in, so... Yeah, it's not calling in. Lovely! Cool. Okay. See you later, 45 gunner. Okay. So, question is, why is some train not loading in? That train is. That train is not. Missing mesh. Okay, we were in 5. We're gonna save that. Okay. I wonder, can I just like do a hard copy of these? If I just do a hard copy of these and then go, haha, I actually was kidding. Delete all those and then paste them back in. No. Why? Luckily, it looks like the mesh is named properly, so we should be able to go in here and look up mt_terrain LA06. Okay, so that's that, and then okay. Try to figure out what went wrong with copying. Is the mesh renderer missing something? No. I bet it's the mesh filter. Yep, okay. So we're getting there. Just a couple of things. So MT train LA03. Hey, we got terrain back. MT terrain LA06. MT terrain LA. Okay, I think all the terrain is back. Yep. Now we can start actually piecing together things. So like this guy needs to go up a little bit. There we go. That one needs to go up a little bit as well. This one needs to go up a little bit as well. Okay. Looks like a nice little winter wonderland now. Okay. So, we got that now. Now we can theoretically start deleting the walls and the floors. these should be in the terrain. There you go. Then we can start moving all of you. If I just zero everything. Nope, not perfect. That looks good enough. Let's hit the play button and see what we get. Do I have to fix those errors? That is the ultimate question. And if the answer can be no, that'd be lovely. And the answer is yes, you're going to have to fix those errors. Lovely. That's not the answer I wanted. Okay, let's figure out what this one is. Dock area has been destroyed. You're still trying to access it. Script should either check if null and should not be destroyed object. This is part of a bunch of things I don't think is mine. Preview window. I don't think that's mine. Not object reference. Inspector window. Again, I don't think that's mine. And this. So we're gonna try something. We're gonna try to save it. Whenever Unity wants to not be destroying my life. It's not bad. The winter environment's not a bad environment to play in. Okay, let's save this. Cool. Let's go in here and make sure everything's good here. I think it's still, yeah, it's still committing the changes we made of loading in these 3,000 some odd files. I don't really want to close it out until it's done. But man, is it gonna be huge. That's a big library. Okay, we're gonna just minimize that and we're gonna just play the risk. Quit. And then we're gonna boot it back up, guys. Let's see how long that takes. It's gonna be a big one. We at least can start deleting some of these assets. That would definitely get it a lot faster. But that package is huge. Let's see, we can close out of this. Don't need that anymore. That anymore. Don't need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. Get something a little bit more interesting than that. We don't need that one, don't need that one, don't need that one. Cool. Trying to give my computer the best of the opportunities for it. Okay, let's try this again. Hopefully it was one of those Unity glitches where it just didn't have enough processing. Okay, Unity is booting it back up again. Let's watch the little ball go across. Because if we can get it where it doesn't have errors, then we're good. We have an environment. Then I just have to make sure I can't fall through the environment and I can't run off the map. If both those answers are true, then we are set environment-wise. Okay, come on. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Yeah, errors. Error messages aren't good. Hey, no errors yet. I'm gonna give it time for it to do this updating asset search index. Hopefully that'll give it something to do. So what I'm hoping is by end of day, so in the next, let's say 12 hours, have a prototype up on itch that's playable and achievable to complete. If I can get a prototype up on itch, then that means that a title screen, it'd be nice to get a setting screen, but right now I'm aiming for a title and a game over screen, and I'll call that a win. I really wanted a setting screen, but who needs settings? That's what the volume controller on your computer is for, right? Mm-hmm. So we're just gonna wait for it to resolve all the indexes to give it the best hope. I can't wait until I get my headphones. My new headphones will be so nice. This may be a while, guys. Let's close out of this. I don't need this right now. Okay, that's fine. Operation cannot be complete. This window has already been registered as a drop target. Okay. And kill it. Kill it with fire. There you go. That was under 100 CPUs for a second. I just realized you guys can't see what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at. So once this gets up to like 100%, then we'll do a trial run to see if it actually works or not. There's not much I can kill on my computer. Literally, it's just time. My little PC is beating itself hard. I'll try to kill Discord, I guess. Let's kill Discord real quick. Give it a little bit more room to run. Computer's chugging away. I knew I had this, I would have taken my lunch break while this was happening. So it's saying about 1 every 10 seconds. So let's see. We got 14,861 divided by 10 divided by 60. So we got about 30 minutes from rough calculation until it gets done. Let's see if I can fix my headphones as we wait.
Transfer of data is complete.
Unity is chugging away at it though. I think this is Vacation? Chores. Like there's another one I like. We're just trying to give Unity the best chance. We're getting there. It's chugging away. It's chugging pretty good speed. Under 14,000 now. Yeah, so let me grab that for you, 45 gunner. So that is a rough demo of what it was working prior to this environment stuff. So it's nice, it is working. Now we're just trying to make sure I didn't break everything. Let's GitLab real quick. Hey, GitLab's done ingesting that data set. No, it's not. It's still ingesting it. Never mind. So yeah, we got a prototype working. So for now, we're just trying to give it the best opportunity. It's under 13,000, so it's getting there. It's chugging along. I just realized I'm blocking the Unity editor with it now. Let's drop that down like right here. There we go. So you guys can see how much my computer is dying. But it's dying for a good cause. I'm really hoping this is all I need to do to get it to work. Is just to let this background task to complete, and then it would just work. It will work like magic. That'd be lovely. I don't think that's gonna happen, but that'd be lovely if that's how that worked. I think the album is the right album though. We're listening to it and I'm not having any like headaches or anything. We're about halfway there, guys. So how are you guys doing? Anyone watching? Hopefully your day is going well. Under 10,000 now. I'm thinking maybe if we add a lure with the targeting, even though it might not be on target, it'll always try to get closer to the target. Almost at under 9,000. I think I'm gonna try to implement my tip system that I've thought of before. I don't know if I'll have time, but basically I'll have it where it pops up how to play the game. And then it sets a timer to find out when the next available time is, based on the last time you did set actions. Let's check if our GitLab is done. Nope, it's there, chugging away. Alright, under 8,000 now. I think I estimated 14,000 seconds. I think we're good. Oh no. Okay, so time wise, don't know how it is would be now, but let's see. 148014092. 1486 and 14154. Okay. So that's 6 seconds. 1454 minus 1492 over 6 seconds. That's about 10 a second. 7204 divided by that. We have about 600 seconds left. Divided by 60, which equals about 10 minutes, guys. About 10 more minutes and we'll be ready to go. And life would be good again. Hey, it's done committing. So we're just gonna what's the thing of this? Moved low poly nature to main scene. This one should be a lot faster to commit. Yay, we're done now. Assets are still moving, but hey, we're getting there. Or it's not moving, just updating. Under 6,000 now. Okay, under 4,000 now. Okay. We're getting there. Hopefully that resolves all the errors. Okay. Under 3,000 now. Almost under 2,000. Why is my computer 100%? That is a good question. My computer would love to find out because I do this all the time to it. So we unpackaged like 4,000 some odd assets. We're like 14,000 artifacts, and Unity's currently indexing them all. Also still streaming, so that's taking up a lot.
Transfer of data is complete. Transmission.
So that's a lot of the reasons why my computer is at 100%. But it's going well. It's going well. We're under 2,000 artifacts. Hopefully this resolves all the issues, and then we'll have an environment. If it doesn't resolve all the issues, I go sit in the corner and cry for a couple hours, and then we have an environment. It's gonna be fun building this. That's gonna be the fun part. So I didn't make it myself. I'm not that insane. I'm not that good of a level designer. My trees would be all over the place. And it is one map, but there is multiple maps that the asset package came with. We just grabbed one. I moved a bunch of mountains around to get it to look enclosed, and so I don't have to worry about below the skybox. And now we're just waiting for the last few. How large was the asset package? Let's find out. Why don't we? Since this is running in the background. Low poly nature. Size. 418 megabytes. It looks like a petabyte. No, it's not a petabyte. Just it's a huge number of files, over 2,000 available files. Or not 2,000, 20,000 available files. Okay, talk to you later, 45 Gunner. We're so close, the last 100. We're coming up to the last 100. Okay, let me get things back in order down on my system here. That was a... Oh no, it's still updating. Shoot. This one looks like it's a lot faster. So, it's a good bundle. If you need any low poly like nature environments, it's a good bundle for a bunch of those. I want to say it's like 30 bucks. But yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, we can close out that. Bring this back up since everyone likes it. But I run my computer extremely hard, like all the time, so this is just another normal day in its neck of the woods. I actually realized that my CPU is finally out of date enough for games that I need to buy an entire new computer again. Woo! That's gonna be fun. How many cores do you have at what frequency? I think I have 12 cores, and I think it's 3.2? I've broken the internet. Come on. Ooh. It's chugging. I don't know what's still moving, what's not. I think everything locked up on me. This isn't good. Uh-oh. There you go. 3.6 with 4 cores. Sorry, 4 cores. 3.5 is the base. Sorry, I thought it was 12. It's actually 4. But 3.6. So. So, it's going well. I have plans on its upgrade. I slightly overpowered it. So this isn't the worst. There's a mathematical equation that I was trying to resolve that basically is not infinite, but is very close to infinite. And I kept my computer on the red line for, I think, 1 entire week roughly. And my roommate joked around back in the day with me on it is my computer became a personal heater for that week. Because that's all it was doing, is trying to crunch those huge numbers down. Yeah, it was a good time. I don't know why Unity editor suddenly spiked up in memory though. It literally is killing the memory. But it's almost done. That's when it's like, oh, I gotta do another background task. I knew it. Okay, so I have 1,000,000. This one shouldn't be too bad. This stream is watching my computer slowly blow up. Are you done? Are all background tasks done? Yay! All background tasks are done. We can get back to the party. I'm gonna need to work on my game. Still do not have a main loop. Stress. Oh, don't be stressed. Just go with the simplest loop you can think of. Keep it small, keep it simple. Don't stress. Like, even though games are supposed to be stressful, I've never taken it as like a stressful endeavor. I've always kind of just tried to relax and let the universe kind of dictate where it goes. And it didn't fix any of the errors. All that time wasted. Gross. I have no clue what half of these errors are. Object type dock area has not been destroyed, but you still has been destroyed, but you still have access to it. In what script? In my Unity editor or splitter script thing. None of this looks like my code. I wonder, can I? Hey! Look, it works! It works! We got a working game! Okay, so that worked, but if I make it maximize, it yells at me. Which kind of sucks because I kind of want it maximized. Yeah, so it yells at me if I do maximize. That's fine. let's do a quick dedicated server is not okay. That's fine. Oh wait, I'm in dedicated server. That's why. I don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Let's do a build and run. Let's build it in. Delete me. GMTK 2023. I just want to verify that it works in the build version. This might be the buggiest of all the code, all the game jam code I've made. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be watch the progress bar again. Oh, actually, it's gonna be a lot faster. Because if I can get a build working, I don't care about those errors. It sucks that those errors exist, but... Okay. Okay. Four minutes to get a complete build. That's not bad. And it works. Give me a second, I'll show you guys a working model. There you go. So, about 4 minutes to get it to be working. I still got a lot of terrain bugs I need to fix. But that's going to be the next objective, is to follow the map. I might have to put some invisible walls. Since I don't think I'm supposed to be able to get up here. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be able to get up here. Okay, let me reset you guys onto this guy. Let me close out of this one. But hey, we got game. We got game working. It takes about 5 minutes to build. But that's fine. Let's go into the build folder real quick. Because I just want to see. Oopsie. Oh no, I did right. Okay, so if we were to take all that and zip it all up. What are we looking zip-wise? Looks like a couple of seconds to zip. And then it looks like it's 33 megabytes. That's not bad. I will take that for a win. That is actually really nice. So, clear all those warnings. I don't think we're going to be able to play minimized anymore, but we'll be able to play focus. I have to just suppress those errors or something. Okay. That's 100 position. What is the profile? Where's my deal? Yeah, okay, I need to just not care about those errors. I don't know what those errors are, how to fix them. Okay, that cliff needs to be moved up. Hi! Crowny, I think? How are you? Okay. How do I get my mouse out of here? It's in focus. Ah! Get out of focus. Thank you. Unfocus. There you go. it there. I want it there. There we go. Okay, need to figure out what mountain this is. And we need to raise it up. We don't see a crack anymore. There we go. Use that. There we go. Cool. Back to roaming the wild. Those look good. Keeping an eye on uneven level. Nope, I feel like I'm going up a mountain now. Yep, found an uneven level. I actually think this one's high. Okay. Gotta go find my deer. There's the deer. Gotta find this mountain. This mountain's far too high. Okay. Well, that looks good. Nope. Find my deer. Yep, that looks good. That is just a gap into the void. I think if I just moved it over and down just a little, that should resolve that. Nope. Hello, gap. care too much. Let's go 5, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3. Okay, we want 8, 9. Let's go 6.2, 5. 8. Just to be safe. Okay. I run into this issue. The easiest one I can think of is just move it close. Okay, and run back along this line just to make sure it's good. I don't see any obvious gaps. That's good. Yep. Seven, 6, 9, 7.2, 3, 7.3. And this one. Okay. Oh, snap. Hopefully I can just do this and resolve all those issues. I just figured out something else I can do now. I think I need to add a tag. Boundary. I want There you go. Right, now that I have the boundary, I should be able to go and draw a point down below me. And as long as that doesn't touch a boundary, be good. So we'll see. Which means I need to modify the movement script slightly. Or even better, I add box collider. There is. Just gonna drag into an area of safety. I know you won't be able to get in the way of. There you go. And that tree needs to go down. Simple but effective. Now the fun part is spawning the character within or outside of and the hunter, but it prevents. It's a series of invisible walls, but it will prevent the player from exiting the map. Okay. So I think we got boundaries working appropriately. I would love to rotate this so he's facing those. Just because I feel like that has a better view. And then we can bring him forward a little bit so he's not in shadow. And there we go. There you go. That looks good. Okay. I think we're finally done with the environment. Woo! Okay. Let's clear some of these. Open up my to-do list. Remove the environment. And let's update this GIF so that we have a better GIF. I'm also gonna change the font color to black. Or actually we'll do like a red. Just so it's red. Can I get a bold? There you go. I don't like red. Red's just too hard. Maybe a dark green. Dark green's a little easier to read in my opinion. So let's get a new GIF. Yep. Actually, we'll go the other way. Nice. Okay, we can do that too. Or something like that, right? Yeah. Just because I know I can do about 30 seconds of, about 10 seconds of this. Okay, hit the record button. Or we say yes to that, hit the play button here. Yes. Okay. In theory, we have a new GIF. I don't know why that one block looks pixelated. That's weird. But everything else looks good, so. Looks good to me. Let's update the GIF here. Okay, and let's try to figure out a good color. Purple looks good. Okay, let's re-upload this to Discord. Okay, come on, Discord. Discord, though. Okay, let's go. GMTK. Highly good. First progress picture. That looks cool. Oh, that's neat. I like that. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Now that that's over. Okay. Now the next few parts. I'm gonna quickly do some Googling and see if I can figure out why I'm getting these errors. I'm getting this error. This is most likely to the GUI function not closing properly. Things like end. Okay. Let's see if I do a better search and look up this GUI dot GUI. I have asset create GUI skin. That's like a new thing. Let's open up some VS Code. Okay. We're looking for GUI. There is no code in our code that uses GUI. GUI util. There is no code. It uses GUI util. Let's just do Unity. Yeah, there's things that use Unity. No code that uses that. The same CMT change we're trying to. Let's see if it talks about it. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. And we're looking for GUI. Nope, not in there. Just making sure everything's being checked. Camera. Yeah, it's checking everything. But there's no GUI. No process event. I have no clue where this is coming from or how to fix it. Neither do I have this one. Yep, do GUI. No, nothing there. Null object reference is not set to an instance of the object. Like, I know what the issue is, I just don't know where the issue is. Reference to an object that does not exist or was deleted or cleaned up. It's best to avoid, better to avoid null than to handle it after it occurs. Correct. All that's correct. But where? No, I can't. I was hoping, I was like, maybe I can search based on that. Where are you? Where? I don't like the idea of releasing buggy code, but it helps you release buggy code. Unless you guys can come up with a reason why these errors occur. Hi Jay! How are you doing? I got a deal in a forest now. I'm still unsure long term if this is viable, but let's just keep chugging away. Okay. Timeout. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, it isn't bad. I just have a couple of errors that I don't like. I have a few more features I have to add, but oh yeah, the music is nice. The music's been really nice. I need to add that too. I should add that to my to-do list. So they can actually play inside the game. How long have I been streaming? Oh, we're coming on to 4 hours? 3 hours? 3 hours, 20 minutes? I think it's time for another break, guys. I will hop back on in like an hour or two. Try to get the hunter spawn location and the targeting system a little bit better. Quick little cleanup, and then we'll hop off. Nothing's changed. Nope, project settings have changed. I've added and preload assets. I don't know what that is, but sure. Okay. So this is the player. Let's create a new empty. Call it environment. And we'll just dump all of these into there. There we go. I think this cube is dead to us. So we don't need that. The hunter's position is still relevant. It's now inside a tree. Now it's outside a tree. Crosshair projection is still relevant. Directional light is not really all that relevant now, but we'll keep it. Okay. So I cleaned up some of the data set. Oh yeah, I have to save. There we go. Yeah, just some of the data set. This actually doesn't need to be, we can discard that. That was a way of doing something that I'm not doing anymore. And we have a bunch of new data. Cleaned up the data. We'll commit that. And then we will call it for now. And these errors are not helping, but we'll call it and then we'll return back fresh WI in about an hour.